Uh, yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Femitech video tutorial. Now guys, for this episode I'm going to show you how to enter the boot manager section for this HP laptop. So this is the screen you want to reach whenever you want to choose your booting device. So I'm going to actually restart the laptop, show you how to reach here. So let's go ahead and restart the laptop. Once the laptop is powered up, continue press down on the F9 key and it will take you to this section. Once you're here, then you can actually choose your booting option. Again, it is a HP laptop. In the description section of the video or in the title of the video, I'll be definitely give you the exact model number. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on that subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. Once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.